Now in English. We are overcome with sadness and pain when we see the televised atrocities and the news about the horror that the Zionist state of Israel commits on a completely hungry, sick and defenceless people. It seemed that there were no more cruel and heartbreaking words to pronounce like these. Total destruction of hospitals, machine gunning of starving civilians when they search for food, murder of aid workers, journalists, health personnel, extreme famine, severe child malnutrition, more than 100,000 dead in Gaza, mostly women and children, ethnic cleansing, crimes against humanity, genocide. But faced with a vocabulary saturated with perversities, we can still add more violence to the murderous lexicon, such as imminent invasion, total extermination, massacre, and holocaust of an entire people. And all this overwhelming horror so that Zionist colonialism can achieve its great Israel covered in Palestinian blood. We can feel that Gaza could die entirely in the face of the devastating silence of our rulers, in the face of the hypocrisy of these who pronounce what is politically correct, but who are not capable of doing anything significant in these anguishing and dramatic circumstances. A total blockade of weapons and a total economic blockade on Israel, which was what managed to end apartheid in South Africa. We cannot remain silent. We cannot remain silent in the face of this global hypocrisy that allows this genocide already denounced by the International Criminal Court and with NIU wanted by the court to continue without any impediment and even with total audacity and insolence. We demand that international law be complied with, that relations with Israel be broken off, and that serious measures be taken in an effective and truthful manner to end this inhumane barbarity in Palestine. In addition to the atrocities suffering of an entire people, we're faced with two possibilities. Either laying the foundations for a global future of pirates and thugs, where human life has no more value than their whim, or achieving a peaceful, just and habitable planet based on respect for human rights. Becoming aware of this situation makes us stronger. Solidarity with Palestine is unstoppable throughout the world. Stop genocide. Long live Palestine.
Long live Palestine. Long live Palestine. Long live Palestine. Free, free Palestine!
Palestine! Free, free 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 Palestine! Free, free